Hey guys, Joe from AmericanTrucks, and today I'm going to be reviewing and installing the locker-down SUVault underseat long gun safe fitting all 09 and newer F-150 SuperCrews. Now this safe is going to be perfect for the F-150 owner who's looking to routinely and safely carry a longer firearm in their truck. This kit installs underneath the rear seat of your SuperCrew using factory mounts and features a keyless 4-digit combination lock. It's manufactured out of a thick and heavy 12-gauge cold-rolled steel and features welded tab and notch seams that are definitely going to withstand any break-in attempts. It's then sealed in a black powder coating, which is going to prevent any rust or corrosion, on top of add to the looks once it's installed in the truck. The safe is approximately 56 inches long and a foot wide, so this is easily going to carry an AR-15, a shotgun. If you wanted to take that a step further, you can absolutely get some foam cut that is going to lay in the safe and allow you to carry a maximum amount of firearms. This case is pretty tight security-wise as well. It features a 3-point locking system as well as some drill-resistant locks. Also, when you have this thing installed, all of the hardware to remove it is inaccessible, all of which are going to contribute to the security of this safe. Another great feature is once you open this thing, it features a counterbalanced hinge, so the door swings open and holds itself there, allowing you easy access to whatever's inside. Pricing for this safe is going to be around the $950 mark. Now, while that may sound expensive, you're getting a quality kit here. It's manufactured very well. It has some great features to it, namely the lock and the 3-point mounting system, as well as that cold rolled steel. Definitely contribute to the security. So you get a lot for what you pay for. Also included in that price is a limited lifetime warranty from Lockdown. Install for this safe is going to be extremely easy as well. We're looking at a 1 out of 3 wrenches, should only take you 10 minutes, and we're going to be using all factory mounting locations, and all the hardware you need is included in the kit. So without any further ado, let me show you how it's done. Tools required for this install are going to be an impact, ratchet, 6-inch extension, and a 13mm socket. So the first thing we're going to need for the install are these brackets right here and right here. Before I show you where this is going to go and how we're going to attach this to our seat, I just wanted to point out how nice a little piece of design like this is. As you can see, the bracket comes in 2 pieces like that. So once you have this tightened down and this lid on, this bolt right here is going to be enclosed in this box. So that way nobody can just unscrew this bolt and take the safe out. The only one who's going to be able to take this apart is you, being that this nut is going to go inside of the case as well, so you won't be able to access that one either. Really nice and secure, small piece of design. Small things like that really go a long way for gun security. So with that being said, we're going to use a 13mm socket to remove this bolt right here, put our lower bracket in between that and the frame here, then put our lid on and secure it down. Now I'm just going to leave a little bit of wiggle room on there right now. That's going to give us the adjustment we need to line this bolt up with our case. And while we're here, I'm just going to put this cover on as well. Now we're going to do the same thing for the other side. So while we're here, I'm just going to remove this nut because the next step, we're going to throw our case in here. So we got our case dropped in, opened up, and this lined up. So next I'm going to reinstall that 13mm nut with a ratchet. So now the case is fully installed, there is one more thing I wanted to show you guys, and that's how to reset this code here. Now from the factory, this is set to 0000. So I'm going to show you how to change this to your own personalized code. Now in order to do that, you do have to have the code to open this currently in. That will allow you to press a button on the bottom side of the dial here. Now with that button pressed in, you can now input any code that you want. So I'm gonna go 1111. There, once you have your code selected, you can then release on the paper clip or push pin, and now that is the new pin that will allow you to turn it, open it, lock it, and as you can see, no go on any other code. Back to 1111. Easy as that. And that is gonna do it for my review and install of the locker down SUVault under seat long gun safe, fitting all 09 and newer F-150 SuperCrews. Thank you for watching. I'm Joe, and for all things F-150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.